Go.
Hello, welcome to Theodore Madness, and today I'm going to be talking about speed on your board skate. Banana label. Da-da-da. Yeah, cool. Now, the board skate is exactly 3.9496 ding dong. 295.6 divided by 5 squared 9.
You have to be such a geek, Theodore.
Sorry. 0.5. Obviously. And what I'm gonna be talking about that, let's welcome the what's your name again?
Skate Tech.
Let's welcome Skate Tech.
Skate Tech, guys. You know you want to follow me on my channel. Tomorrow I'm gonna show you how to do the kickflip.
Dude, tell me about speed, you loser.
Yeah. Speed.
So, speed is perfect because so you want to put oil and a lot of butter on your wheels so they can go fast like this. Wow, fast, huh? Yeah.
Holy gee. Slice.
Anyways, Skate Tech, tell us how to get the proper movement on your board skate.
What you want to do, first of all, when you first get your new board, you want to kind of slam it, get it squishy. You know, it might break the rolling buttons inside your wheel, but that's okay because we're the Skate Techs here. We know how to fix everything. Now, put your board down nice and steady. Okay, so now you have to push and kind of like drag your feet so you know you look professional, but you don't know you're really not professional. So then you just push